Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 18th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So gold has been very choppy, very overlapping, which makes me think that this wave B is not complete yet. I was thinking that maybe this was going to be the top of a wave B and this was going to form a brand new downtrend, but ever since this high right here, it really isn't impulsive. I mean, it went down and now it's back up, so it's continuing to make overlapping waves. Normally, if you're making big overlapping waves like that, means you're still inside of a correction. And if we're still inside of a crescent, it's probably going to go back up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, maybe to finish off the wave B like this, or maybe even like this, before we actually do go down for that big giant wave C that we have been waiting for. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here to here, because if it does make three waves up to a fib level and a pulse down, we want to be able to recognize that. But based on the fact that this is very overlapping on the 4 hour, I think there's probably a better chance that this is going to go up, probably all the way back up to these highs, and maybe even to the next Fibonacci level, like I showed on the 4 hour time frame. So definitely be cautious. I mean, if the correction is not over, that means that the correction is up, right? We're drifting up in a correction to the upside. So if we're drifting up in a correction and the correction is not over, then we should be leaning towards the long opportunities until we can identify the end of this correction. And when we can finally do that, we'll stop looking for longs and we'll start looking for shorts. But it seems like we are very likely still in the wave B, and the wave B is a correction to the upside. So potentially we should continue to look for logs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.